Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hakimi from AS244 and I would like to present my study regarding antimicrobial activity of Cymbopogon citratus leaf extract against pathogenic bacteria strain. First thing first, I will start with the introduction and background of the study, which is the rise of antimicrobial resistance have become a global problem, necessitating the search for novel antimicrobial and the urgent need for alternative antimicrobial agent from natural sources. And the focus is on Cymbopogon citratus because it's widely used in our traditional medicine. And it's stated to have rich bioactive compound with potential antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity. And let's proceed to the objective of the study. The objective of the study is to determine the antimicrobial activity of Cymbopogon citratus extract against selected pathogenic bacteria strain. Other than that, is to determine the antioxidant activity of C. citratus methanol extract and the phytochemical and to profile the phytochemical properties of Cymbopogon citratus using GCMS. As you can see, this is the general methodology for the studies, which include zero dilution method used for antimicrobial activity and antioxidant activity. For the antimicrobial activity method, this diffusion method was used to detect any potential inhibitory on pathogenic strain. And for the phytochemical test, GCMS was used for profiling the chemical component in Citratus methanol extract. While for the method for antioxidant activity is H2O2 scavenging assay was used to detect any scavenging activity of the Cymbopogon citratus methanol extract. Let's proceed to the result for the GCMS. The result for GCMS shows that the chemical profiling of C. citratus methanol extract found octadecatrinoic acid 14.73%, phytol 8.66%, tetradecanoic acid 7.06%, and geranic acid 6.26% as the main compound, which supported by Suarez et al. 2013. While for the minor compounds as geraniol 1.32%, methyl stearate 1.45%, tocopherol 2.42%, and docosahexaenediol 4.53% were also present. None of the alkaloid, flavonoids, and terpenoids were detected. And for the antimicrobial activity result, indicated that C. citratus methanol extract exhibited no noticeable potential for antimicrobial activity against the tested bacteria, despite the presence of a clear inhibition zone for the positive control, which is streptomycin. And the MSO4 was used as negative control. The diffusion method was used for C. citratus methanol extract antimicrobial activity against Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, and B. subtilis. While the variance of concentration used by C. citratus methanol extract is 5 mg per ml, 2.5 mg per ml, and 1.25 mg per ml. And for the antioxidant result, from the result, it can be stated that C. citratus methanol extract did have antioxidant activity. This is shown by the reliable percentage of H2O2 scavenging lead to antioxidant activity. The IC50 value for CCME were determined using the H2O2 scavenging assay by using the percentage scavenging and the mean of the adsorbents. The mean value for IC50 of the sample was 1.433 with a standard deviation of plus minus 0.057. The p-value calculated from the t-test comparing the IC50 value of the sample and control was found less than 0.05, indicating statistically significant difference. And for the conclusion, there is no inhibition zones were observed at C. citratus methanol extract despite the presence of clear inhibition zone at the positive control, which is streptomycin. The observed result may be influenced by factors such as the concentration of bioactive compound in the extracts, the susceptibility of the bacterial strains, or inherent resistant mechanism present in the pathogens. GCMS analysis identified octadecanoic acid, phytol tetradecanoic acid, and geranic acid as the main compound in Citratus methanol extract. None of alkaloids, flavonoids, and terpenoids were detected. Flavonoids and phenolic compounds are generally polar, therefore the GCMS may not be able to yield them, as GCMS is more suitable to analyze nonpolar and high volatile compounds. And for the antioxidant activity, it shows that Citratus methanol extract did possess antioxidant activity, again significant antioxidant activity in scavenging H2O2. The finding contribute to the growing body of evidence supporting the potential health benefit of lemongrass and its use as a natural antioxidant. And for the recommendation for future investigation related to the antimicrobial activity of Cymbopogon citratus leaf extracts, it is recommended to conduct a through the examination of the MIC, or minimum inhibitory concentration, of the extract against selected pathogenic bacteria. And to compare the antioxidant activity of citrus activity of Cymbopogon citratus with other known antioxidants through a variety of assays targeting different reactive oxygen species. This can help establish its relative potential compared to established antioxidant. Other than that, we can focusing more partition tests in order to identify the bioactive compound that directly related to antimicrobial and antioxidant activity of Citratus leaf extracts. And this is the reference that I use to refer for this presentation. And that's all from me. Thank you.